an integral part of Chinese territory since ancient times. After 1949, the 10th Panchen Lama and local people called for liberating Xizang. In response, the central government formulated the policy for peaceful reunification of the region. Talks were blocked by imperialists and separatist forces. The Battle of Kamdo broke out. Path to peaceful liberation opened. In April 1951, a delegation of Xizang's local government arrived in Beijing for peaceful liberation negotiations. On May 23rd, the 17-article agreement was signed. It marked Xizang's peaceful liberation and the reunification of the whole Chinese mainland. PLA troops entered Lhasa and were deployed along border areas in Xizang. For the first time, the long border line was fully secured. In March 1959, upper-class reactionary forces launched an armed insurrection. The central authorities quelled the unrest together with local people. Order was restored, and democratic reform freed about 1 million serfs and slaves. In September 1965, the Xizang Autonomous Region was established. Xizang embarked on the road of socialism. "75 years have slipped away. Xizang has achieved remarkable progress in all fields, bringing better lives to residents of all ethnic groups."